PCC means police clearance. In this video, we are going to discuss how to apply for PCC. PCC means Police Clearance Certificate. So we need to submit this certificate to Embassy, Canadian Embassy after getting our ITA for permanent residence. If we search online on IRCC website, it shows that we can apply for police clearance certificate at our local district police station, passport office, Indian embassy or consulate, and BLS International Center. But personally, I prefer to go to BLS International Center for the PCC. So we have to submit PCC for all the countries where we have lived for 6 months or more in a row. So if we already have PCC, however we visited the country after issuing that PCC, then that PCC document become invalid and we have to apply again for PCC document. Let's see how to apply for the PCC through BLS India. So we have to go on this website blsindia-canada.com and then go to passport and police clearance certificate. So click here. So in here we have 3 jurisdictions. If we are living in this area like British Columbia, Yukon, Alberta, Saskatchewan, then we can apply in Vancouver, Surrey, Edmonton and Calgary. If we are living in this area, then we can apply in Toronto, Winnipeg and Brampton. If we are living in this area, then we can apply here. So let's go to the requirement section. So like I'm living in Ontario, so I can apply through Toronto CGI. Just click here. So as we are applying for Canada Embassy, so we have to choose country Canada. So on this page we have to register first. Click on register button. Embassy, like we are applying from Canada, so I will choose Canada Toronto as I'm applying from Toronto CGI. Put your given name as per the passport, surname if you have your surname, date of birth, email ID, and do you want your login ID to be same as email ID? If you want, then click on yes. Login ID will show here. Password, confirm password and hint question. Here we have to create a security questions like favorite color and put the answer here. So remember the security questions, maybe you need it to log in. So then enter these characters and then click on register button. After registering, we will get an email on our email ID. So to activate your account, please click the link in the email sent to your email ID. So now we can log in with our account. So click on user login. So after login, we will be landed on this page. This is the applicant home page. So here we will choose apply for police clearance certificate. So click here. Purpose of PCC. So we have to choose immigration purposes other than citizenship. Country for which PCC is required. So here we have to choose Canada. Enter your passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue and file number. A passport file number is always on the last page of your passport. Then click on next. On this page, we have to enter given name, last name as per our passport, gender, date of birth, place of birth as per your passport, marital status, citizenship of India by birth, PAN card, voter card, employment type. If you was working in India before coming here, then you can mention like how was what type of work you was doing. If you was not doing any work, then not employed. Your education and Aadhaar number if you have any valid Aadhaar number. So if you have a Aadhaar card number, then click on yes. Otherwise, you don't need to do anything. Click on next. Enter your father's name, given name, last name if they are using mother's name, and if you have a legal guardian. Then click on next button. Enter your address in India. Address in India. So where your family is living. A house number, village, state, district, pin code, police station. So we have to enter the police station, like which is enter your police station for your Indian address, mobile number, email ID. Then you have to enter present address in country of domicile. So you have to enter your Canadian address here, country Canada, your address, your mobile number, and then click on next. So on this page, we have to provide the following details. If there are any criminal proceedings pending against the applicant, so we can select yes or no as per your knowledge. Then click on next. So I will select no. Next. So then it will show police clearance certificate details. So we have to check all the details here. Our name, our father's name, passport number, date of issue, place of issue, and our file number. Just make sure everything is right. Then click on next button. So here, then submit. I agree with place and submit. Yes, all details are correct. Okay. So our application is submitted, and this is our reference number. It will show the reference number here. Go back on home page. So our application will show here. So we can select this here from this button, and we can print our application form here. Regarding the processing phase, so there are two ways. If we are going in person to the VLS office, then we can pay there by debit card or cash. And if we are using the like pickup and drop off method, we are not going in person, then we have to make a money order in the favor of BLS International Services Canada. So the fees would be $41.40, You can make this money order from any Canada Post Center, and then we can click here and we can use the pickup and drop off method via BLS. So we can choose this one, click on proceed, and put your pickup address, put your drop off address, and they're gonna take some fees when you will fill this application. Let's see the checklist. What documents we need to attach with this application. So for Toronto jurisdiction, to check the checklist, click here. So for this, first is application form, which we already filled and submitted. So we have to take the printout of that application. Then we need one photograph of size 51 mm and 51 mm, so it's a square size. So one photo we need for Indian passport, status in Canada, so whether it's PR, work permit or study permit, so we have to attach a copy of that. Proof of address, one copy of like driving license. We can also use our lease if our driving license is not updated, and then fees. So if we are like submitting it by drop off, so we have to attach our money order. If we are going in person in the BLS office, so then we can pay our fees there. So that's all for this checklist. If we are applying through Vancouver, so for that first is same online application form, and then one photograph of size, same size 51 mm and 251 mm. Provide photocopies of all photocopies have to be self-tested. Applicants holding Indian passport, valid Indian passport copy. Proof of status in Canada, valid PR card or work permit or study permit. And then fees. So that's all in this checklist. If we are applying from Ottawa, application form, and then two photographs. So they need two photographs of same size 51 mm to 51 mm. Provide the documents below in original and photocopies on letter size paper. Photocopies on separate pages for each document instead of two sides and a portrait format. And all photocopies have to be self-tested. Valid Indian passport copy, so copy of Indian passport. Status in Canada, whether it's PR, landing paper, valid work permit or study permit, whatever you have. And fees. Notarized affidavit for change in appearance if your appearance has changed, and proof of address. Driving license, photo ID card like Ontario government card, or any utility bills, electricity, water, gas, phone, internet, etc. must be. So that's all here. I hope you like this video, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.